So I wanted to just make a quick recording of Blackboard and where you'll find the different resources available for Blackboard. So you should see two Chem 106 specific links. So this is my Blackboard, and that's why there are many more things available there. But you should see one for the course and one for your recitation. So for example, right here we have M001. That is the lecture. Within the lecture, and I'll switch to the student preview mode here, you'll see announcements, the syllabus, our Zoom room. So here's the first announcement where I had provided the general video introducing you, our two sessions that we had, as well as the syllabus for this class and then the guide to creating a Top Hat account. Under the syllabus tab, you'll notice that I've uploaded the syllabus for this class as a Word document and a PDF file. And then this is where the informational session that was held yesterday was uploaded. So I already made a mistake and forgot to record the video from Monday, so I only have the informational session from Wednesday. However, a lot of the same questions were asked and answered in that session. So you can find that under the syllabus tab. For lecture, you're going to go here to the Zoom room. And for the Zoom room, I've already loaded all of, once it loads here, you'll see, all of our meetings for the semester. And so you click that link in the Zoom room and you can see all of our scheduled meetings. So this class meets Tuesday, Thursday, 12:30 to 1:50 p.m. I've scheduled the meetings start a little bit early. Obviously, I'm not going to start class earlier than it's supposed to be, but this is all you have to go to find lecture. So just click that link for the day and that'll take you to that day's meeting. Once lecture is finished, and please allow for some processing time, that video will be made available under the previous meetings tab, and it'll be there for you to watch as well. So now I want to exit out that. And now I want to look at your recitation. So for recitation, so let's say you're associated with M002. So it could be different. You could be an M006 or M045 or M048. So click on that link and that'll take you to recitation. So right now the teaching assistants are still setting up the recitation, but you'll find the same thing. There's an announcements tab here. And again, I'm going to switch to the student preview mode. So announcements, they haven't posted anything yet. I've put together a recitation specific syllabus and guide that they'll post. And the next thing we see right here is recitation room. So that link will take you to the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So I'm going to use Zoom for lecture, and then the grad students are going to use Blackboard Collaborate Ultra for recitation, because Blackboard Collaborate Ultra can track who is in each of the sessions, right? Recitation is attendance dependent. You have to be there and participate. So we're going to use Blackboard Collaborate because it can collect that attendance data. And so if you'll see right here, it already says recitation. There's a little folder. So this recitation M002 is on Tuesdays, and it starts at 3:30 and goes to 4:25. So that's already scheduled. So you can open up that and see, okay, here's recitation the first day, the second day. And you can join those recitations. So right now we're too far out from the recitation to be able to join that, but this is where you would go to find and join that recitation. Yes, this class is 3:30 to 4:25, but the recitations are scheduled to start a little bit early again, just so that you can have that time to log in, get everything set up before we get going. Once that recitation is complete, you'll go over here to recordings. And in that recording session, this is where you'll find all the recordings from recitation. So I've asked the TAs to make 2 recordings for each recitation. They will do a 3 to 4 PowerPoint slide presentation review from the previous weeks of lecture, and then you'll start the problem set. So I want one video to be the first few PowerPoint slides reviewing the material from the previous week. Then the students will break up into groups. You're going to work on that problem set together. That will not be recorded, but then when the groups come back together and you work through that problem set, That second half of recitation will be recorded, so there should be 2 separate videos, an introduction, a review of the material, and then the second video will be a problem-solving video working through that material that was tackled in recitation. And again, those will be right over here in this tab under recordings. There's nothing there now because we haven't had a session yet. But that's where to go and where to find the material, right? We have 2 different places, one for lecture and one for recitation. So hopefully that helps everyone find what we're looking for before classes start next week.